What's good, YouTube? Back with another video. Single turbo 335i POV. She be pulling. Come on, green. We need a green. We need a green. Got the green. We got the green. Oh man, that radar's going crazy. They just repaved this road. This road's super smooth now. This road used to be like super bumpy. Like I used to hate coming down this road, but now this might be my new favorite road. We're gonna turn here. We're gonna do two-step or rolling antenna, I guess you call it. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. All right, we're on first. Going to second, roll into it. Yeah, that one felt good. That one felt real good. All right, one more, one more. Woo. Now we need gas. We definitely need gas now. My boy's car is back here. It's gonna need a little work. Oh, it need a little work, and we got a Chevelle too. You guys see the Chevelle? 1200 horsepower. 1200 horsepower Chevelle in the making. If you guys watched some of my previous video, I had this on the. I showed this on the channel before. Still getting worked on, but man, oh, almost dropped the damn GoPro. But damn, Chevelle. Imagine a 1200 horsepower car on the channel, but. Got my boys 328 manual, red interior. Might be locked, maybe. Oh yeah, it's locked. Yeah, this one I think he damaged the motor, so that's why that one's here. But a Chevelle on the channel would be insane. But man, close up with the boys, chilling right now. The shop canal, you guys can see. My homie's car. Get out my way. I almost spilled my drink. All that cheese.